Lilong Horobi College tagi ITEP recognition revoke taukiba taragadi punamaki daita mari Leinaba Manipur University gi authority na laubigadabani
Manipur University ki mari Leinaba authority na matam chana ordinance issue tawbidabana maram oiraga ITEP haibidi Integrated Teachers Education Program ki admission process hauba yadam leire masina maram oiraga NCTE National Council of Teachers Education na Lilong Horobi College dagi ITEP recognition revoke tawkiba taragadi Manipur University ki mari Leinaba authority na masigi daita kudimak pugadabani haina Lilong Horobi College ki students union ki mausiladuna khulakpam na sirdin sahana pawmising unabada pangdokre Lilong Horobi College da pangthokiba pawgi mifamda mahakna hai ITEP haibasi National Education Policy NEP 2020 ki makhada introduce tawkiba 4 years integrated undergraduate teachers education program amani mahiroi amana haiba course asi loirapa matamda degree ani phangani haibidi mahakna pamjaba subject adugi bachelor degree aduga amana B.Ed degree National Testing Agency na loba NCET 2026 ki through the admission tawbi yari hain approve tawraba Central amadi State University sing IIT amadi NIT sing marakta 100 chubada Lilong Horobi College yorokibani masita natana haiba program asi run tawbi yabasu government college asina ahan basu oigidoibani India gi atopa state singda class hona bi yauna krabasu college asida hawdabagi maram kupnu thijilluba matamda Manipur University na ordinance issue tawgidabana yadabani haibasi khangmong nakibani maram masina mahiroi khunai khanbiraga mari Leinaba authority na ordinance issue tawgiduna ITEP admission process asi hawhanbiu masina tragati hiram masida lakadab apafatagi daita khudimak Manipur University ki mari Leinaba authority na pugadabani haibu wafamsu Lilong Horobi College Students Union gi mausiladuna khulakpam na sirdin sahana phungdorakki
Student Union Lilong Horobi College na Manipur University na matam chana mari Leinaba ordinance issue tawdabana maram oiraga college asida ITEP gi admission process hauba yadana leiriba se athuba matamda issue tawbiduna admission process hauba yahanbiyo haina media ki khuthangda haijari ITEP Integrated Teacher Education Program asi NEP haibadi New Education Policy 2020 ki makhada introduce tawkiba 4-year integrated undergraduate teacher education program amani student namana course ase loshilakpada degree ani fangani haibadi mana pamjaba subject ki bachelor's degree ama amadi B.Ed degree ama NTA National Testing Agency na loba NCET National Common Entrance Test 2026 ki through the admission tawba yare haina approve tawkraba Central State Universities haibadi IITs NITs 77 ki manungda Lilong Horobi College asi yaurakhi panbaya badi Lilong Horobi College na program asi run tawba yaba ahanba government college oigadawribani laibak thibadi atopa state singdadi admission process loiduna class haukraba so college asida hojik phauba hodana laibagi maram union na ITEP committee Lilong Horobi College ta hangjarubada Manipur University na ordinance issue tawraba matungda admission process haugadabani haibirakhe maram asina Manipur gi Satra khunai ki interest mari Leinaba Manipur University ki authority na makhata na matam laudana darkar lairiba ordinance issue tawbiduna ITEP gi admission process hauhan binaba Lilong Horobi College Students Union gi maikaidagi hangkachari karigumba matam chana ordinance asi issue tawbidabana maram oiraga admission process hauba yadabana maram oiraga NCTE National Council of Teacher Education na Lilong Horobi College tagi ITEP recognition revoke tawkiba taragadi punamaki daita mari Leinaba Manipur University gi authority na laubigadabani haina union gi maikaidagi thamjare
miyamda khanganjaba ama IPEC TV News Channel asida toan hiramsingi matangda advertise tawbiningba myoisingi oina yamna chawna offer pizari maram aduna advertise tawbiningba myoisingna offer asigi khudongchaba lawbiyu hiram asigi matangda apamba myoisingna mobile number 9366127201 da call tawbiraklaga khudongchaba asi lawbiyu haina IPEC TV News ki maikaidagi miyamda appeal tawjari